Welcome back to Car Club, your go-to destination for automotive deep dives. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Isuzu camper motorhome, focusing solely on its striking exterior. Let's dive into the design language, performance, quiz, and the history behind this rugged yet refined vehicle. Right off the bat, the 2025 Isuzu camper commands attention with its bold front fascia. The grille is oversized, aggressive, and framed by sleek LED headlights that give it a futuristic, high-tech vibe. A thick chrome bar spans the upper grille, proudly bearing the Isuzu logo. The front bumper integrates fog lamps and a skid plate, offering both style and function. Moving along the sides, the camper's silhouette is both practical and imposing. The high roofline ensures maximum headspace inside, but it also enhances its road presence. Chunky wheel arches house 18-inch alloy. Wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, ready for whatever lies ahead. Side mirrors are oversized and heated, complete with integrated turn signals for added visibility and safety. You'll also notice sleek contour lines running across the body, adding a dynamic edge to its robust frame. The 2025 Isuzu camper motorhome pays homage to Isuzu's legacy of durable utility vehicles. It borrows from the design DNA of Isuzu's commercial trucks while injecting modern camper aesthetics. The dual-tone paint schemes, matte black accents, and aluminum trim give it a contemporary, premium finish. At the rear, a full-size spare tire is mounted on the swing-out door, evoking classic overlanding style. Large vertical taillights ensure visibility in low-light conditions, and the high-mounted brake light adds an extra layer of safety. There's also a roof ladder and sturdy roof rails, hinting at its readiness for outdoor gear and rooftop accessories. Performance-wise, the exterior is engineered for endurance. From the reinforced chassis to underbody skid plating, this camper is built to tackle rough terrain. Ground clearance has been increased from previous models, offering better off-road capability without compromising highway stability. Finally, it's worth noting the legacy this vehicle builds upon. Isuzu has long been respected for its no-nonsense approach to engineering, and this camper is no exception. It's a vehicle that looks the part and performs to match, built for explorers, adventurers, and weekend warriors alike. That wraps up our detailed exterior review of the 2025 Isuzu camper motorhome. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth automotive content from Car Club. Until next time, drive smart and explore more.